Hello, this is an alarm clock with a sleeping atmosphere light. It is overall design and special design for the people who need sleeping at like old person, like kids, like babies. There is speakers for the radio. Now, here I will show you how to program it. After power it on, you will see the LED flash quickly. Now let's go to APP. Let's see Tuya and plus add device. Now let's see lighting. Lightings, atmosphere, Wi-Fi. Confirm, next. Next. Quickly, blink quickly. You will see they will connect automatically. Connected already. Okay, done. Let's test it. Light, off, wait. Let's test it here so you can see more clearly. Green, red, blue, pink, orange. There is automatic color changing. You can set the alarm clock here, sleeping mode here, and the radio.